In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal link in Wix into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagick. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. For this example, I'm using my WordPress demo page to control the button. The page I want visitors to reach is a Wix local service page. So the button starts on WordPress, but the final destination is the Wix page. I'll open the Wix page first. This is the regular link visitors should land on after they click. I'll copy this link because this is the destination I want ClickMagick to track. Now I'll go into ClickMagick and create a new tracking link. I'll name it Wix Service Demo. Then I'll paste the Wix page link as the destination and save it. ClickMagick gives me a new tracking link. I'll copy it and return to the WordPress page editor. Then I'll select the Wix button and replace the old direct link with the ClickMagick tracking link. The button still looks the same to visitors. They click the same button and they still arrive on the Wix service page. The difference is that ClickMagick now records the click before sending them there. Next, I'll update the WordPress page and open the live version. I'll click the Wix button once to create a test click. The Wix page opens correctly, so the link is working. Now I'll return to ClickMagick and refresh the Smart Links report. Here I can see how many clicks this link gets. The report shows total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, cost, revenue, net, CPC, EPC, and ROI. When I open the click details, I can also see the clicks per day chart, link view, referrer, sub-ID 1, whether the click was unique, the IP address, country flag, and timestamp. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagick for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.